Everybody wants a rolling picture. This is the backstretch, turn 3 of the 2023 Spring Turkey Run. Ford. Morning. Good morning, good morning, good morning. Nice. Good morning. Square body Chevy in the house. Awesome. Hey man, can I just walk around that one time? I just want to walk around it one time. Sorry to have to make you stop. Yes sir, that is a pretty car. Wow. Gorgeous. Can I see the interior?
Sure can.
Wow.
All brand new house tools.
Yeah? What year is it?
68.
It's a beautiful car, man. What do you got in it?
396 big block frame up from Texas.
Wow, beautiful car. Thanks for letting me look at it. Good morning. Cool car. Good morning. Say, man, can I get you to pull over so I can walk around that? Mustang Mach 1. What year?
72.
1972. This is the biggest, baddest Mustangs they made. 351 Ram Air. What an incredible car. Awesome. Thank you, man. Just look at the interior here real quick. Beautiful car. Thanks. Mustang Mach 1, 1972. Chevrolet pickup truck. Man, that is pretty color, guy. Pretty color. Thank you. 1970 SS Chevelle. What a freaking car. Look at that. Beautiful. Now over a Z28 Camaro. Beautiful. Look at them rolling in here right now, man. This is gorgeous. No, that's cool. That's a collector too now. Somebody's got to collect it. Look at the Nova.